The surge in AI technology's capabilities has unlocked unprecedented opportunities for earning online. This isn't just your run-of-the-mill guide. It's a strategic blueprint tapping into AI's potential to fuel financial growth and autonomy. Because we want to achieve a lifestyle, not just a job. Embracing technology isn't just optional. It's essential for those serious about securing their financial future efficiently. I'm about to dive into how ChatGPT stands at the forefront of this revolution, transforming the landscape of passive income. By now, I'm sure you're well aware of ChatGPT's impact on digital content creation. This AI, developed by OpenAI, has redefined the standards for producing human-like text, streamlining the content generation process across the board. Its significance stretches far, particularly for those in affiliate marketing, where the creation of highly targeted and engaging content is paramount for driving conversions and audience engagement. The ease of use stands out, making it a tool that individuals with varying degrees of technical expertise can utilize to their advantage. ChatGPT empowers users to produce quality content at scale, a crucial factor for anyone looking to gain a competitive edge in the digital domain. ChatGPT's influence extends well into automating and enhancing online business operations, enabling a seamless integration of AI into content strategies. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. Affiliate marketing stands as the backbone of this passive income strategy, operating on a commission-based model where earnings come from promoting others' products. It's straightforward. Share a product link, and a purchase through that link translates to a commission for you. This model thrives on the ability to weave affiliate links into compelling written content, turning readers into potential buyers without disrupting the user experience. Enter ChatGPT, a powerhouse in crafting high-quality, engaging articles. Its role in this business model is to produce content that not only resonates with the audience, but also seamlessly incorporates affiliate links. The efficiency and quality of content generated by ChatGPT mean that even those new to content creation can produce work that stands out, driving traffic and conversions. Success in affiliate marketing heavily relies on niche selection of the alignment of affiliate programs to that niche. The right combination can dramatically amplify profitability, making the selection process a critical step. From identifying a lucrative niche to choosing affiliate programs that offer attractive commissions, each decision plays a pivotal role in the overall success of the strategy. The journey from topic selection to publishing is streamlined with ChatGPT. It begins with pinpointing a topic that not only interests you, but has a sizable audience. Following that, ChatGPT assists in generating content around that topic, embedding affiliate links where natural. The final step involves publishing this content on platforms where your target audience is most likely to engage with it. What makes affiliate marketing with ChatGPT particularly appealing is the low entry barrier and the minimal initial investment required. Unlike traditional business models that necessitate significant upfront cost, this approach is accessible to virtually anyone willing to invest the time to understand the market and leverage AI for content creation. This democratization of opportunity makes it an attractive avenue for those looking to dive into the digital marketing realm and carve out a slice of the passive income pie. Embarking on this journey, the aim is to demystify the process, providing a clear step-by-step breakdown. This guide is designed to equip you with the fundamentals, paving the way for deeper research and giving you the confidence to begin. Selecting the right niche is the first crucial step towards generating passive income with ChatGPT. This choice dictates the target audience and engagement level. A well-chosen niche ensures content resonates with readers, increasing the likelihood of clicks on affiliate links. Utilizing resources like Wikipedia to scope out potential niches provide a broad overview of interest in markets. Further refining these options with ChatGPT, leveraging its ability to churn out a plethora of content ideas via custom formulas, ensures a steady stream of relevant topics. Transitioning from topic selection to content creation, ChatGPT becomes an indispensable tool. This is where the rubber meets the road. Detailed instructions for using ChatGPT focus on harnessing its potential to automate the writing process. By feeding the AI custom commands and prompts, users can generate not just any content, but well-structured articles with compelling titles, engaging introductions, and coherent outlines. The magic doesn't stop there. The incorporation of rewriting tools is advised to polish the generated content, ensuring it's original and captivating. This step is about refining AI-generated drafts into pieces that not only rank well in search engines, but also hold the reader's attention, encouraging them to explore the affiliate links woven into the narrative. This process represents a blend of strategic planning and technological leverage. Monetization through affiliate marketing hinges on selecting affiliate products that resonate with your content and audience. The search begins by identifying products that align with your article's theme and your audience's interest. Digital products often offer higher commission rates and are easier to integrate into various content forms. In contrast, physical products can appeal to a broad audience, providing tangible value, but typically with lower commission rates. The art lies in embedding affiliate links naturally within your content, ensuring they add value to the reader's experience rather than detracting from it. When the content is ready, platforms like Medium serve as a prime real estate for publishing. Medium's vast audience and credibility with search engines make it an ideal platform for reaching potential readers. But visibility doesn't end with publication. Implementing basic search engine optimization, SEO strategies such as keyword integration, meta descriptions, and backlinking can propel your article to the top of search engine results, significantly increasing its reach. Formatting plays a crucial role in reader engagement. Breaking content into digestible sections using headings and incorporating relevant images can enhance readability and keep the audience engaged. High-quality images, whether sourced or created, add a visual element that complements the text, making the article more appealing and shareable. This comprehensive approach, from selecting the right affiliate products and integrating them into your content, to publishing on the right platform and optimizing for search engines, lays a solid foundation for generating passive income through ChatGPT-crafted articles. To scale and refine the affiliate market strategy, leveraging the right tools and resources is non-negotiable. Quillbot stands out for its paraphrasing capabilities, essential for ensuring content uniqueness. This tool aids in rephrasing generated content to avoid duplication issues, maintaining the originality of your articles. Navigating the affiliate marketing landscape requires connecting with reputable affiliate networks. Platforms like ClickBank and Amazon Associates offer a diverse range of products to promote, catering to various niches. Joining these networks involves a straightforward application process, after which marketers gain access to numerous affiliate links ready for integration into their content. SEO tools, such as Google Trends and Keyword Planner, are critical for validating topics before diving into content creation. These tools provide insights into search volumes and trends, ensuring that the chosen topics have a real searchable interest, thereby maximizing the potential for traffic and, subsequently, conversions. For visual content enhancement, resources like Pexels and Canva are invaluable. Pexels offers high-quality free stock photos, while Canva facilitates the creation of custom graphics, enhancing the visual appeal of any article without the need for advanced design skills. Lastly, investing time in learning resources to sharpen content marketing and SEO skills can dramatically impact the success of your strategy. Platforms like Moz, HubSpot Academy, and SEMrush offer comprehensive guides and courses, equipping marketers with the knowledge to navigate the digital landscape effectively, from keyword research to content optimization. To achieve financial independence and secure a robust passive income stream, expanding your article portfolio to cover a broader range of niches is crucial. This approach not only safeguards against market fluctuations, but also maximizes revenue opportunities by engaging diverse audiences with varied interests. Diversification into multiple niches allows for the exploration of less competitive, potentially more profitable areas. It's about casting a wider net to capture a greater share of affiliate marketing opportunities. By doing so, you're not just increasing your potential income, but also building a resilient business model that can withstand changes in market demand. Keeping a close eye on how each article performs is indispensable for fine-tuning your content strategy. Analytics tools come into play here, offering insights into which topics resonate most with your audience and which affiliate products are driving conversions. This data-driven approach ensures that your efforts are always aligned with what brings the best return on investment. Reinvesting profits into paid advertising is a strategy to accelerate growth. It's an investment in your business's scalability, driving targeted traffic to your content more efficiently than organic growth strategies alone could ever achieve. Harnessing ChatGPT for affiliate marketing offers a streamlined path to generating passive income. By strategically expanding your content scope, analyzing performance, and reinvesting wisely, you set the stage for substantial growth. Remember, success in this digital era demands innovation, adaptability, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Embrace these strategies, and the potential for financial freedom is within reach. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.